In times of volatility, when share price movements become difficult to predict, it's often a good strategy to turn your attention to the entire market. It's time to trade the indices. Welcome to Binary Options for Beginners.
It's much safer to trade indices in relation to particular sectors. So if you know a lot about technical stocks, then look at the Nasdaq because it's really filled with tech companies. It takes away a lot of the volatility because where one company may be not doing so well in that sector, the others will pick up. So it really spreads the risk across the entire sector as opposed to hedging all your bets on one particular company. It's a very good idea to have an understanding of the greater range of companies that are in a particular index, specifically if they are a very large company within that index. Again, we'll look at the Nasdaq and Apple. Apple actually make up 15% of the capitalization of that index. So even if the rest of the companies may be doing poorly, if Apple have a very good result, the Nasdaq will increase.
Indices allow investors to spread their risk across an entire market or sector. Their trading levels are insulated from the ups and downs of individual share prices and allow investors to focus on the trends.
Indices are very closely tied to market sectors and understanding within regional economies, which is why you have the Dow in the US, the DAX in Germany, or the FTSE in the UK. When the unemployment data for a particular country is negative, then it means more people are out of work and unable to buy product. When they can't buy product, the company can't sell the product. Therefore, the valuation of that company decreases and the index that is attached to decreases as well. There are many correlated trades that you can place when trading the indices, most specifically the currency that's tied to the particular index that you're trading, and also, for instance, oil, especially with the American economy. If the Dow is increasing drastically, then there's going to be a greater requirement of oil consumption, not only to manufacture the product, but logistically to get it around the country, to get it in the hands of consumers. Indices are very closely tied to economic data and also general sentiment. So when you see CPI, or the Consumer Price Index, rise in an economy, you know that company or companies within that indices can actually sell their product at a higher price, therefore making them more profitable. So obviously their value increases and their position within the index increases, and then the index increases.
Trading indices as binary options requires study. Take a long view, research the companies in your index, and trade the trends. Thanks for watching Binary Options for Beginners. May all your trades be in the money.